class in AP Model School, Purohit Niwasa. Myself Asko.
Myself P. Tanushree, studying 10th class in AP Model School, Purohit Niwasa. Our project name is wastewater treatment.
The materials records are big pebble, small pebble, sand, coal, cotton. Many poor people who are drinking contaminated water are affected by water pollution. Water pollution is caused by dumping of waste materials into rivers.
Wastewater treatment is a process that removes contaminants from wastewater and returns it to the water cycle. The treated water, called effluent, can be reused or returned to the environment without reactivity impacting it. The process